डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस के ट्रांसलेशन के लिए मेरा इंग्लिश क्लासेस को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को दबा लें। मैंने सुना है यहाँ का खाना बहुत लाजवाब है। I have heard the food here is amazing. I have heard the food here is amazing. Amazing यानी लाजवाब। उसकी अचानक से तबीयत खराब हो गई थी। His health suddenly deteriorated. His health suddenly deteriorated. Deteriorated यानी कि खराब हो जाना और suddenly यानी कि अचानक। खाली हाथ मत जाओ। Don't go empty-handed. Don't go empty-handed. Empty-handed यानी कि खाली हाथ। मुझे अपने गुस्से को निपटाना सीखना होगा। I need to learn to deal with my anger. I need to learn to deal with my anger. यह खाओ, यह तुम्हें बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। Eat this, you will like it very much. Eat this, you will like it very much. तुम्हें क्या लगता है मैं गधा हूँ? What do you think I am an ass? What do you think I am an ass? Ass यानी गधा। तुम्हें क्या लगता है इस बारे में? What do you think about this? What do you think about this? About this यानी इस बारे में। उसके पास ऐसा क्या है जो मेरे पास नहीं है? What does he have that I don't have? What does he have that I don't have? 4 दिन की चांदनी फिर अंधेरी रात। It's a 9-day wonder. It's a 9-day wonder. Wonder यानी कि चमत्कार। आपने अपने भविष्य के लिए क्या सोचा है? What have you planned for your career? What have you planned for your career? Career यानी भविष्य। आपकी कृपा होगी। It's kind of you. It's kind of you. मैंने यह बात नहीं की। I didn't make this remark. I didn't make this remark. इसमें खास बात क्या है? What's so remarkable in it? What's so remarkable in it? खास बात यानी remarkable। आपका गुस्सा जायज़ है। Your anger is justified. Your anger is justified. तुम यहाँ से चलते बनो। You walk away from here. You walk away from here. तुम इसी के लायक हो। You deserve this only. You deserve this only. अनसुना मत करो। Don't turn a deaf. Don't turn a deaf. क्या आप फिर से बोल सकते हैं? Can you say that again? Can you say that again? Again यानी फिर से। किसने तुमको मेरा नंबर दिया? Who gave you my number? Who gave you my number? बोलने से पहले सोचो। Think before you speak. Think before you speak. Speak यानी बोलना। तुम बहुत बढ़िया करोगे। You will do great. You will do great. Great यानी कि बढ़िया. मैंने तुम्हें पहले ही कहा था. I have already told you. I have already told you. Told यानी कहा था, बताया था. मुझे पता था कि तुम आओगे. I knew that you would come. I knew that you would come. Come यानी आना. तुम कहाँ थे इतनी देर से? Where are you so long? Where are you so long? वह कल घर पर नहीं था. He wasn't home yesterday. He wasn't home yesterday. Yesterday यानी कल. तुम्हें वहाँ जाने की ज़रूरत थी. You need to go there. You need to go there. There यानी वहाँ. सिर्फ एक ही समय की तो बात है. It's just a matter of one time. It's just a matter of one time. मैं बेसब्री से तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. I am looking forward to you. I am looking forward to you. सीधी सी बात है, मैं नहीं जा रही. It's quite simple. I am not going. It's quite simple. I am not going. तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते थे. You could have helped me. You could have helped me. Helped me मतलब मदद कर सकते थे. तुम बहुत शरारती हो. You are very naughty. Naughty यानी कि शरारती. You are very naughty. आकर बताता हूँ. I will tell you after coming. I will tell you after coming. Coming यानी आकर. मुझे वहाँ जाना ही है. I am bound to go there. I am bound to go there. तुम मुझसे जलते क्यों हो? Why are you jealous of me? Why are you jealous of me? मुझे ऐसी हरकतें पसंद नहीं हैं. I don't like such activities. I don't like such activities. यह चिंता का विषय है. It's the topic of concern. It's the topic of concern. इतने निराशावादी मत बनो. Don't be so pessimistic. Don't be so pessimistic. निराशावादी यानी pessimistic. छत टपक रही है. The roof is leaking. The roof is leaking. Leaking यानी टपकना. छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात. Small wits great beats. Small wits great beats. इसके लिए उसे मनाओ. Convince her for it. Convince her for it. जो हुआ उसे भूल जाओ. Let bygones be bygones. Let bygones be bygones. उसको उसकी मौत का झटका लगा. Her death hit him hard. Her death hit him hard. तुम्हारे पास टाइम ही नहीं होता है. You are always short of time. You are always short of time. हम कभी फुर्सत में बैठकर बात ही नहीं करते. We don't sit in leisure and discuss issues. We don't sit in leisure and discuss issues. वह बड़ा नेक दिल है. He is highly good natured. He is highly good natured. Natured यानी अच्छा दिल, good nature. तुम्हारी बातों में दम है. Your words have weight. Your words have weight. पागल हो गए हो क्या? Have you gone mad? Have you gone mad? Mad यानी कि पागल. शुरू शुरू में मुझे नहीं पता था. Initially I didn't know. Initially I didn't know. आज हम बाहर खाने जाएंगे. We will eat out today. We will eat out today. यह मेरे लिए नया है. This is new to me. This is new to me. मैं भी यही चाहता हूँ. I want the same. I want the same. वह बहुत मेहनती है. He is very hard working. He is very hard working. मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है. I don't have anything. I don't have anything. मुझे नौकरी की तलाश है. I am looking for job. I am looking for job. ऐसे में हम कहाँ जा सकते हैं? Where can we go in this situation? Where can we go in this situation? हमने बहुत मजे किए. We had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. मैं सुबह से बाहर हूँ. I am out since morning. I am out since morning. मुझे कुछ सलाह चाहिए. I need some advice. I need some advice. Advice यानी कि सलाह. वह अक्सर रोती रहती है. She often cries. She often cries. Cries यानी रोती रहती है. हम अक्सर एक साथ खाना खाते हैं. We often eat together. We often eat together. Together यानी एक साथ. चापलूसी मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. Flattery is not my cup of tea. Flattery is not my cup of tea. यह मेरा पुश्तैनी घर है. This is my ancestral house. This is my ancestral house. इसका तो सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता. This is out of question. This is out of question. Question यानी सवाल. कोई तो तरीका होगा वहाँ जाने का. There must be some way to go there. There must be some way to go there. मैं चोटी कर रही हूँ. I am plaiting my hair. I am प्लेटिंग माई हेयर। अब तक तो वह सो गया होगा। ही मस्ट हैव स्लेप्ट बाय नाउ। ही मस्ट हैव स्लेप्ट बाय